Hi, my name's Jim. I'm a corporate pilot. I fly private jets and a turboprop and put up videos on YouTube. I also put stuff up on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I wanted to put this in front of the video because most of my videos that I put up are a complete trip, or at least a complete day in a trip. Sometimes videos don't get made because of one reason or another. The video I put today has a very interesting 13-14 minute sequence of flying into the Midway airport on a busy morning with weather, high winds, and clouds. But I went back looking through videos and found this and thought, you know, this really is pretty interesting. So I just want to let you know why suddenly a video is appearing that's a year and a half old. Also wanted to thank everybody for subscribing and watching and spending your time doing that, because I really appreciate it, and hope that everybody enjoys the video today. Thanks. Early morning to Midway, 5 passengers spending the day, coming back. Very, very windy up there, and windy here also. Starting to see a little glow on the horizon out there, with the sun about to peep up. They're late. It's about a 45-minute flight. I'm going to talk to the passengers. If it looks like we're going to be there past dinner, I'm going to get a room for Mike and I. 2 rooms for Mike and I. Let's get that straight. 2 rooms. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see what happens. You know, really our biggest concern landing there today is the winds. It's gusting to 37 knots. Fortunately, though, it's just right down the runway. That's a big help. Okay, we had one just show up, so we know they didn't cancel and forget to tell us. That's good.
B1, rotate. Positive rate. You're up, you're up. Flaps up, yaw damper. Flaps up. Damper zone.
Citation 9 uniform, contact St. Louis Departure Check.
Good day, 9 uniform. St. Louis Citation November 9 uniform out of 1.7 for 3,000.
Station 9 uniform, St. Louis departure, ready to contact. Climb maintain 15,000, turn right direct spinner.
15,000 direct to spinner, 9 uniform.
15,000 right turn direct spinner.
Air 49, St. Louis approach, runway 30 right.
Alright, gears up, flaps are up.
Eagle Med 1, contact Kansas City Center, 128.35. Station 9 uniform, contact Kansas City Center, 127.27.
2727, 9 uniform. Kansas City Citation November 9 uniform out 11.3 for 15,000.
November 9 uniform, Kansas City Center, good morning, climbing.
Oh gosh, you can't even see up here when you... Like you gotta get below the clouds to see. That sun right in your eyes.
Southwest 2452, you're clear direct to Cedo. Direct to Cedo, Southwest 2452.
I think we're gonna end up being under most of this.
Yeah, I think so.
As we get down here.
2701, 27 for 3,000.
Southwest 2701, departure ready to contact, climb maintain 6,000.
There's somebody's airport.
I think that's Lewis University Airport.
Let's go.
There you go.
Yeah, we've been there before.
Yeah.
Second City 568, climb maintain 10,000. Southwest 2452, climb maintain 12,000.
12,000 Southwest 2452.
Second City 568, climb and maintain 15,000. Delta 2701, climb and maintain 7,000.
7,000 Delta 2701.
498 Delta Charlie, Chicago departure, ready to contact, climb and maintain 4,000.
Morning, Chicago Southwest 208, 6,000, and we have Tango.
South 208, RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left approach.
RNAV Yankee 22 left, Southwest 208, and we'd like to put the X-ray on requested.
November 9 uniform, contact approach on 128.2.
28-2, 9U.
Up 2701, you're clear direct Comiskey, maintain 12,000.
Direct Minsky 12000, Delta 20.
Chicago Citation November 9 uniform at 4,000.
November 9 uniform, Chicago approach, roger. Southwest 1219, turn left heading 360.
Left turn 360, Southwest 1219.
Jet speed 7, descend to maintain 3,000.
Down to 3000, jet speed 7.
Southwest 1488, maintain 170 knots or greater to keel, contact Midway Tower at keel 135.2.
Let's have a greater keel and tower keel, thanks, Southwest 1488. Roger, good morning, Southwest 2267, 5 descending 4,250 knots.
I think that's Midway right there.
Southwest 2267, Chicago approach, roger. Select your RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left.
RNAV Yankee 22 left, Southwest 2267.
Southwest 1219, turn left heading 290, direct sales.
Left turn 290, direct sales, Southwest 1219.
Jet speed 7, your 8 miles to sales, cross sales at 3,000, cleared RNAV Zulu, runway 22 left approach, maintain 200 knots.
Cross sails at 3000, maintain 200 knots, and are cleared for the approach, jet speed 7.
West 1219, you 2 miles to sales, cross sales 3,000, cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left approach, maintain 170 knots to keel.
Sales at 3, clear for RNAV Yankee 22 left, 170 to keel, Southwest 1219. Departure flight jet 552, left turn 140, leveling 3,000.
Jet 552, Chicago approach, radar contact, shot for pass number citation 4,000.
Left 2, negative contact.
Number 9 uniform, traffic flight Midway to the southeast is a Challenger, level S3.
9 uniform. Southwest 1984,
That's
southbound
it.
for 6,250 knots with Tango.
Southwest 1984, Chicago approach, expect RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left.
Expect that, Southwest 1984.
1488, contact Midway Tower. Southwest 1219, contact the tower at keel 135.2.
Tower keel 35-2, Southwest 1219, so long.
I got the wing engine off now. It's 11.
Southwest 208.
Oh, you said I turn it off and we turn it goes to 9.
Southwest 208, Chicago approach, roger. Let's get 532, come and maintain 5,000.
Touch 2, climb maintain 5,000.
Approach Southwest 28, like to put the RNAV X-ray on request to level to T2 left.
208, unable.
Okay.
November 9 uniform, reduce speed to 200 knots.
200 knots, 9 uniform.
200 knots.
Approach 147, Sierra Foxtrot 6,000.
Number 147, Sierra Foxtrot, Chicago approach, Tango's current, expect your RNAV Zulu, runway 22 left.
RNAV Zulu 22 left, 7 Sierra Fox.
Oh, it's getting bumpy now.
Proceed direct to sales, and to maintain 3,000.
Direct sales 3,000, Southwest 2267.
Southwest 1984, descend to maintain 4,000.
4,000, Southwest 1984.
November 9 uniform, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000 for 9 uniform.
3,000.
Jet speed 7, maintain 170 knots to keel, contact Midway Tower at
I'm
keel
going to turn the night lights
135.2.
off.
170 to keel and contact the tower at keel, jet speed 7.
Flex at 552, turn left, direct Lukey.
Touch 2 left, directly to Lukey.
Flex at 552, come and maintain 15,000.
Touch 2, climb maintain 15.
Flex at 552, fighting 050.
Touch 2, heading 050.
Southwest 1984, speed direct to sales, reduce your speed to 200 knots.
200 knots direct sales, Southwest 1984.
November 9 uniform, turn left heading 360.
Left, 360, 9 uniform.
Left to 360.
Southwest 208, reduce speed to 200.
Go to 200, Southwest 208.
November 7 Sierra Foxtrot, descend to maintain 4,000.
4,000, 7 Sierra Foxtrot.
Got departure, let's go 380 at 3,000.
Visit 380, Chicago departure, radar contact, come and maintain 5,000.
5,000, place at 380.
November 9 uniform, turn left direct to sales, reduce your speed to 170.
Direct to sales and slow to 179 uniform.
Okay, direct sales.
Exit 552, clear direct Lukey, contact Chicago Center
Got it.
120.35.
Yep. Hold on.
Touch 2, 2035 and Lukey, good day.
Activate direct sales. Nav. And he said what, 170?
170, yeah.
Okay,
Sierra
so
Foxtrot, reduce your speed to 200.
Slow to 200, 7 Sierra Fox.
Number 9 uniform, you
Left.
off the sales, cross sales at 3,000, cleared RNAV Zulu, runway 22 left approach, maintain 170 knots to keel.
Okay, 170 kill to RNAV and 3000, 9 uniform.
Okay, 380, turn left.
Okay, 170 to Keels. Direct sales were cleared for the approach. Flaps approach.
Flaps approach.
Runway 22 left approach, maintain 200 knots.
Sales at 3 cleared RNAV Yankee 22 left, 170 to kill, southwest 2267.
Number 7 Sierra Foxtrot, spin to maintain 3000, turn left direct sales.
There, I got it.
Center maintain 3000, turn direct sales, 7 Sierra Foxtrot.
Southwest 1948, spin to maintain 3000.
That's for Southwest 1984, 3000.
For 3000.
Okay, Southwest 1984, 3000.
Pretty good wind up here. Okay, after sales we can go down. Let's see, we go to Keels.
It's
reduce speed to 170.
yeah, 2400, isn't it?
170 on the speed, Southwest 208.
Southwest 1984, your 9 off sales, cross sales at 3000, cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left approach, maintain 200 knots.
200 knots, 3000, cleared for the RNAV Yankee approach, Southwest 1984.
Southwest 2267, did I slow you to 170?
No, you said 170 at Keel.
Roger.
So we're cross.
Yeah, 2400 at Keels.
140 knots until Keel.
170 until Keel.
Yeah, descending to 24.
Flex at 380, come to maintain 15,000.
To 15,000, flex at 380.
To 380, clear direct Lukey.
5,000 and direct Lukey, flex at 380. Chicago approach, Southwest 1265, 7.1.
I see the field.
6,000 Tango.
Southwest 1265, Chicago approach, but RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left.
Expect the RNAV Yankee 22 left, Southwest 1265.
We got 44 knots of wind here.
Southwest 1265, descend to maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000, Southwest 1265.
Marine uniform, there's traffic over Keel 1600 indicated helicopter. Contact Midway Tower.
November 9 uniform going to tower.
What's going to
25 Midway Tower, ident, say altitude, Midway altimeter, 29er.
Traffic.
Helicopter.
25, 1,200.
Cap 25, radar contact, 6 northwest or northeast of Midway. Maintain VFR, air below 2001 with Charlie, remain north of the approach and departure course 22.
North of the approach and departure course of 22, outer below 2,000, contact 25.
Southwest 586, contact Chicago departure, good morning.
Good day.
November 9 uniform, just about Keels.
November 9 uniform, Midway Tower, where do you port?
Atlantic.
November 9 uniform, winds 220 at 24, gust 32, runway 22 left, clear land, caution wave turbulence, arrive Gulfstream.
Clear to land on the 22 left, 9 uniform.
You're down for a landing check.
You're down.
Autopilot's disengaged. Look, there's land 22 left.
Tower, Cap 31, well done. Like to depart to the northwest.
Cap 31 on course.
On course, 31.
Flaps to land?
That's land. Alright, gears down in 3 green. Flaps our land.
HSP7, turn
Got
right.
amper to go.
To go.
The ramp is frequency there.
Victor,
43 knots on the nose.
into the ramp with you, jet speed 7.
Okay, I got that runway in sight.
Yep.
Back over to the right a little bit.
Southwest 2267, Keel inbound.
Southwest 2267, Midway Tower, runway 22 left, clear to land, winds 220 at 22, gust 32.
Third land, 22 left, Southwest 2267.
Yeah.
500.
And I'm slowing.
300.
God, airplane disengaged.
Showing right on the nose right now.
200. Minimums. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10, $5.
Speed brakes.
Alright, well done.
Citation 9 uniform, turn left, taxi to Atlantic 6 frequency.
Uniform, like he wants to nose right into him.
Yeah, it looks like it. Keep our passengers from blowing away.
Holy smokes, how's he going to do this?
He just pulled us up right to the door there. Welcome to Chicago. Okay, everybody's gone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.